Hello everyone, this is John. Today we will explore the problematic world of Bytecross Dios. This business has been pretending to be a real rental agency, but our research shows that this is not the case. We found a troubling pattern of dishonesty and manipulation when investigating Bytecross Dios. A lot of people have been scammed and lied to by their false claims and actions. Victims of Bytecross Dios have suffered financially and emotionally as a result of numerous frauds, including fraudulent rental listings, security deposit scams, identity theft, and unauthorized charges. So how can you protect yourself from falling victim to scams like Bytecross Us? First and foremost, always conduct thorough research before engaging with any rental brokerage. Verify the legitimacy of rental listings. Never wire money or provide personal information without verifying the identity of the landlord or property manager. Also follow your instincts if something seems too good to be true. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. If you've been scammed by Bytecross Us or any other fraudulent broker, don't hesitate to reach out to us at brokercomplaintalert.com. We're here to help you seek justice and protect others from falling victim to similar schemes. Contact us brokercomplaintalert.com.